All right, so I just got my David Hudgins recovered rear panels back in the car and wanted to give you a quick review and how to get these out and back in. It'll just be a quick video. First of all, when you send them off, you'll have to remove them, obviously. By doing that, you take out 2 screws, one here and one back here, and then one up top back there. And then take out the 17 mil bolt holding the seatbelt in, and that'll come down. And then I just used a heat gun after pulling off the inner door seal, and then kind of peeled back the old vinyl holding the panel in place, and then the panel just slides out. Then you box them up, ship them out to David. It takes about 6 weeks for them to, or for him to get them recovered. But when they come back, they are absolutely perfect. They look amazing, really completes the car. All this was cracked before. So when they come back, they'll have quite a bit of excess vinyl hanging out on the side. You'll have to fit the panel back in. And one mistake that I was making was the panel just kind of butts up against the fiberglass of the car. The fiberglass continues out to here. I was trying to put the panel all the way to the edge and then wrap the excess vinyl around. That's a mistake, because when the door closes, it closes right on top of this and can crack it real easily. So you just kind of butt it up against the fiberglass, wrap the excess vinyl around. You'll have to trim quite a bit off, and then using your heat gun, heat all the vinyl up, wrap it around. Once it's there, just kind of ease the inner door seal on, and it fits wonderfully. I had to pull the wheel arch carpeting out of mine to get the panel to sit flat, and then it leaves a little gap right here, and I just kind of push the carpeting in, and now it sits real flush. I'll show you the passenger side. Looks really good. Again, super simple to remove. 3 screws and a 17 mil bolt holding the seatbelt in. Just because it's been 6 weeks since you've seen the panel, you kind of forget that this part doesn't sit on top of the fiberglass, it just kind of butts up against it. So just keep in mind that when you put it back in. Other than that, job done.